Good afternoon, everyone. Today is March 18, 2025. I just finished having a conference with the buyer's mandate. The buyer's mandate didn't comprehend, didn't understand, he didn't read the full corporate offer which is already available on my YouTube platform and also on my Facebook. The reason why I'm live because I want to educate the buyer. I want to inform the buyer that the price of gold is getting higher. Last week, the price of gold was 2,580 per ounce. Now, on March 17, the price of gold was 2,986.61 per ounce. In dollars term, 96,663. Now today, on March 18, 3,013.5 per ounce in dollars terms is 96,871.73. Again, the price getting higher because I always update, I always watch the movement of the gold. On 12 o'clock in the afternoon, my time, in New York Stock Exchange was morning. Now, the price of gold is 3,014.41 per ounce. In dollars terms, is 96,915.46 dollars per kilo. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, how much is the price? Well, you're a businessman, you should know that. If you're just brokering, you're just wasting your time. I am not here to teach people. I'm not. I am here to tell the world that the price of gold is this 3,014. Now we are now March 18. So the price of gold is getting higher and higher. I warned everyone 3 years ago when the price was down, when the price is able to afford the gold trader. I told them on my video on my YouTube, bank now because there is a tendency that the price of gold will reach to 2,000 or 3,000 or 3,500 per ounce. I'm right. Why I'm right? Because I keep on reading on the current event. I watch the movement of gold. So you would not find any seller will explain to you like this, none whatsoever. Wilhelmina was hired by the company in Africa to handle sales and marketing. We tried to remove the chain of joker broker. I called you guys joker broker. Why? Because you're not reading. If you are working for your buyer, that your buyer is paying your services, and then you've been searching from different offer, it is your obligation to educate the buyer. It is not my obligation to educate you. It is my right to tell the world that we are here to do business in a proper way. And I announce to the world we are now on digital information. I put the full corporate offer very extensively. I expand it. I even give you the price day to day. Now, today, when I start to open my virtual office, I have been interviewing fake buyers, small trader. They think that they can get gold CIF cost insurance and freight. Mr. Buyer, whoever you are, Mr. Gold Trader, Mr. Joker Broker, just a moment. Hello, good afternoon, Raju. Mr. Patil. Mr. Patel, can you hear me? You are from Dubai. Oh, can you hear me? You're not hearing me. He's from Dubai, Mr. Raju Patel. He's from India. He's a broker searching gold on behalf of his buyer. And he tried to call me on bottom. Anyway, his network is very bad in Dubai. When you want to talk to Alamina on WhatsApp conference is not acceptable in Dubai. Bottom, yes, it is acceptable. I will call him again. He's using data. His phone is limited data. So anyway, going back to my explanation.
Raju Patel from India Broker, bottom video.
Yes, good afternoon. Good morning to you in Dubai, Raj. Your network is very bad. So he called me, but his network, I think he's using data on his phone. Okay, now I was being interrupted. I will repeat again. I am not here to teach people. You don't need to ask how much the price, how much is discount, because I already put on every video, regardless the price on the world market, we give the buyer less 8% tax included. So you don't need to pay the tax anymore because the price built in, the tax is already built in into the price. Except you have to pay the shipping cost, except you have to pay the insurance. Why? This is FOB. This is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. That is normal that you have to place your order. That is normal. You have to send a letter of interest to purchase coming from you, Mr. Buyer, that you are intending to buy this precious mineral. Precious mineral means the raw material, which is Doribar. Now, we are not selling 24 carats here. The 24 carats is already refined. You are buying unrefined. You need to refine it into 24 carats. You need to refine it into making jewelry. You need to refine it into full state. You need to refine it spare parts on mobile phone. You need to refine it whatever you want to refine. That is not our business. Our business, we have the gold. The carat is 22 plus, which is 23 carats. The purity is from 96, 97, 98. So you have to refine it in order to make into different uses. You cannot make gold bullion without the raw materials. Where the gold coming from? Where the raw materials coming from? Africa. Either you buy gold in Conakry, Mali, Sierra Leone, Tanzania, Nairobi, Ghana, Cameroon, etc., etc. My seller produce gold. Where the gold coming from? Conakry, Guinea. Mali, we have tons of gold. Conakry, Guinea, we have tons of gold. Sierra Leone have also gold and diamond. So I only handle 3 countries. Now you're gonna say, well, Omina, you teach me. Why I'm going to teach you? You're a businessman, you should know that. You know what you are looking for. You know that gold is real business. You know that. You know that your business would not function without raw materials. You know that. If you don't have cash available to pay the gold, your business would not function. So you can buy gold into your country, you can buy it. But we are giving you less 8%. If you buy gold in your country like Dubai or India, you have to pay the right price. You're lucky if you can get 8%. You're lucky. We are giving you 8% because we want.
Rajiv Patel from India Broker, bottom video.
Hello. Good afternoon, Mr. Patel. I think you have a problem with your bottom. Hello. I'll call you on your number. I will use mobile to mobile. Okay, just a moment. Patel, you've been chatting with me on WhatsApp. You've been watching my platform on YouTube, but you did not really comprehend.
I can't speak in English, Madam Ji.
But the video you just listen, the full corporate offer is just there. Just read it. But you didn't comprehend. I wonder why.
But the full corporate offer, please send me in Word file. I will see.
I already given you on your WhatsApp, but you didn't. Yeah, you didn't.
Yeah.
You didn't read it. Go back to your WhatsApp. Now,
No,
now.
I can't receive in WhatsApp.
Now, you are talking to me live video call. Tell me,
Okay.
are you a buyer or you are a broker?
Both.
Both, okay. So how long you been searching for gold? How many months?
What I say, madam, please listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
Lot of quantity by another buyer. I am a small quantity buyer. 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg. If quantity 15 kg or 50 kg, 100 kg, another buyer, my colleague.
Okay. So you are buying 15 kilos, is it?
Yeah, I am 15 kg. My capacity maximum 15 kg.
Okay, 15 kg. Okay. You are from Dubai. I will recommend you to buy gold in Conakry, Guinea because Conakry, Guinea and Dubai Emirates direct flight.
Yeah, Sky Cargo.
Sky Cargo, that's correct. You're gonna use Sky Cargo to ship the 15 kilos from Conakry, Guinea to Dubai. That's right.
Yeah.
Now, what you have to do now, because you already watched my YouTube channel, I want you to send a copy of your business registration, importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have standby amount on your bank account. You need to apply money laundering certificate in Dubai. Why?
Yeah, Dubai compliance.
Yeah, Dubai compliance because Dubai is getting strict. Because there's so many smuggler bringing gold in Dubai. So you understand that? Okay.
I understand.
So if you're gonna send me now, then I will give you a very good renegotiation the price. Our selling price less 8%. Okay? Less 8%. However, because I'm going to assist you in order to travel with you in Conakry, I am charging you extra services in order to assist you so that you would not encounter any problem.
Okay.
I'm gonna be with you from the beginning to the end.
Okay.
Then the gold will be handed over to Sky Cargo, but you need to comply it. The seller will give you as a report, attestation, ownership, ECOA certificate, mining license of the seller, export license of the seller, and the seller did pay yearly taxes. So now,
Okay.
because you're gonna show Wilhelmina your credential, we will send you a confirmation of your order 15 kilos.
Oh,
Out of that 8%, I will consider to give you 13% because you are paying my extra
sorry,
service.
13%?
I will give you 13% because I am charging you my extra travel cost to assist you.
Okay.
So which one you like? 8% or 13%? Which one you like?
30%.
13%.
30%.
Okay. Are you able to pay my extra service? Because I am charging you $20,000 to cover my travel costs. Which one you like?
Oh,
Which one you like?
20,000?
I am charging you $20,000 to cover my travel cost. Which one you like?
20,000.
20,000 only.
Okay.
Only. Now, if I'll travel with you instead of 88,000, because when we give you 8% out of the world market, so 80,000 on 88,000 per kilo. Instead of that, I might consider to give you $78,000.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, you're a winner.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you're a winner. So which one you like? 78,000 or 88,000?
18,000.
Which one you like? 88 or 70,000?
18,000.
What 18,000? Which one you like? 88,000 or 70,000?
70,000.
70,000. Okay. Because you are paying my extra service.
Okay.
So you're happy?
Will,
You're happy for that?
okay.
You're
I
happy
will
for
give
that?
you-
Hey?
I will give you extra service pay.
Okay. Now, before you pay my extra service, I want to collect your information first, so that we will send you the confirmation and the contract. When you
Okay.
receive the contract, you review that, and then we will issue the landing visa for you to travel with Wilhelmina.
Okay.
And then I will meet you in Dubai.
Okay.
From Australia, I will meet you in Dubai. Then we will travel together in Conakry, Guinea. But you need to receive first the contract that you order the 15 kilos of gold. Now, I want you to get your calculator. Get your calculator. Get your calculator. I want to teach you.
Please.
Okay, 70,000. Because I've given you 70,000 right now. 70,000 times 15, how much?
Okay.
How much?
70,000.
70,000 times 15 kilos, how much? I want you to tell me.
10 lakh, 1,050,000.
Do you have 1,050,000? Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have.
Okay. Deal. You get 70,000. Deal.
Sorry?
You get the deal. 70,000 per kilo.
Okay, good.
Good. Instead of $88,000 per kilo. Happy for that?
Yeah. And what is your charge per kg, madam?
Per kilo, we charge $88,000 per kilo. I've given you $70,000 per kilo.
Okay, and I have to pay to you 10,000 per kg.
No, you don't. You have to pay the gold to the seller, owner of the gold. You only pay me my extra service to cover my travel costs. That's all.
Okay, no problem.
You don't need to pay me the gold because you need to pay the gold bank to bank.
Okay,
You only transfer the $20,000 to buy me a ticket, hotel accommodation, and expenses to travel with you. That's all.
but I have listened, Gili Conakry, somebody kidnapped me if I go there.
Oh, no, you will be safe. You will be safe. My seller is very powerful. No one will kidnap you. Nobody. You will not go to the mines. You only come with me from the hotel to the office.
Okay,
No one will kidnap you because the gold will stay at the central bank. When you pay the gold, then the owner of the gold will request the central bank to carry the gold by the armor car to hand over to Sky Cargo. You don't need to hand carry the gold. You don't.
okay. And when we have to pay the money,
When you see the gold, when you inspect the gold, then you transfer the payment.
where I have to payment in Gili Conakry or Dubai.
No, you will transfer that bank to bank account of the seller. You have to transfer.
Okay. But if the gold is not okay and in copper, I will.
No, you're buying raw materials. That raw materials, there is lead, silver, there is a chemical component. That is why you need to refine it. What are you intending to buy the gold? Tell me. What are you intending?
22 carat must be.
22 plus equivalent to 23. The most important is the purity of the gold. The purity of the gold from 96, 97, 98, it depends on every bar. That is why we need to ask the gold.
I understand, madam. But what I say, okay, somebody show to us 23 carat raw gold, okay, and when we do payment and he give us copper.
You will not get the copper because Wilhelmina knows the seller. I am the extension of the seller. You are going to be safe. You will meet the CEO. My seller owned the company. My seller would not deceive you. The seller owned the mines. He has the gold. He produced gold. Okay, that is why you are paying my extra service. You need to bring your gold taster because you're gonna taste the gold in the office. Hi?
What is the chance of fraud?
There would be no fraud because everything must be bank to bank.
I know bank to bank, but gold is here in Dubai refinery. I will check Gili Conakry. We will check 23 carat, and here is Dubai refinery. Check 180 carat.
Impossible.
Okay.
Impossible because that is the reason why you need to taste the gold before you pay in Conakry.
Okay. We have to taste.
Bring your gold analyzer. Bring your gold taster. You're gonna test the 15 kilos in the office first. In the office.
Okay.
You're gonna taste each bar in the office. When you're happy, okay, then you transfer your payment of 40%. That 40% will reflect the cash inflow that you paid the gold. because the central bank would not give you certificate of clearance that you have paid the gold. So that 40% would use to be mobilized in order to prepare the paperwork, and the seller has to remit the tax into his government.
Okay.
Okay, you are not paying taxes because the tax is already on the price.
And Gini Conakry government essay report give us.
Yes, he will. Yes, you will get. Yes, you will get the ASA report. So the gold, when you transfer the payment, 3 working days to clear, right? So when your payment would be clear, that is the time the seller will prepare all export documentation, because you did transfer the payment of partial deposit. Okay? So then the gold stay at the central bank.
Okay.
So when the seller prepare all the export documentation, the armor car will carry to the airport, hand over to Sky Cargo. And you need to notify the Sky Cargo, because Sky Cargo has to receive all paperwork. Sky Cargo would not accept incomplete.
Okay.
So then,
And
you understand now? Go ahead.
yeah, I understand.
Okay.
And what I say, in Liberia Sky Cargo also, Sierra Leone.
I don't know if they have Sky Cargo. G4S there is. Sierra Leone have G4S. Mali has G4S. Conakry has G4S.
Okay.
So if you have an account in Dubai G4S, go for it. If you have an account to Sky Cargo, go for it.
Okay. Okay.
So you're happy now?
Yeah, I am happy.
So when are you going to travel? When are you going to send me a copy of your business registration? A copy of your importation license? When are you going to send it? For me to validate,
Okay.
for me to...
Okay. I have applied. I am Indian.
I know that you're Indian. I know that. Indian is a gold lover. I know that. In Dubai, there's so many Indian buying gold.
We have to apply for gold trading license in Dubai.
Yes, you should.
Yeah, I have applied.
You did?
I have applied.
Okay, send it to me a copy.
My own name. Kaisi Import Trading and Export FZ LLC.
It's not L. Okay. Remember, this is FOB. This is not letter of credit, huh?
Sorry?
This is not letter of credit. This is FOB.
FOB.
Oh, that's
We
right.
We have no interest in letter of credit.
Okay. So send me a copy of anti-money laundering certificate, because...
Please listen to me.
Yeah?
But my license does not come from government. In this week I will get
Okay.
my trading license. And we have to here to there wire transfer.
Okay.
Okay.
Prepare first your own licensee. Prepare first.
My money is in India.
That is your responsibility.
I will wire transfer from Dubai my gold trading company account.
Okay. It's okay.
And then we will start.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, without money laundering, we have not.
That's good. That's good. So, prepare first. Business registration, importation license, money laundering certificate, and show me the proof of fund. That's it. When you're ready, you come back to Wilhelmina.
Okay.
Wilhelmina gonna be with you, will guide you from the beginning to the end.
Okay. I will call you every time, not text message.
It's better on video call. You need to organize Sky Cargo in Dubai. You need to.
Yeah.
You are going to tell the Sky Cargo that you are buying gold in Conakry, that you are going to use their services.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
ask the Sky Cargo where their office in Conakry. You need to ask.
Okay.
So that when you arrive in Conakry, we will go to the Sky Cargo office. I will assist you. I will see because I need to know as well. So when you are talking to Dubai headquarters, you're gonna ask, can you give me the address of Sky Cargo in Conakry?
Okay.
You got me?
Yeah, I understand.
So now you understand. Bloody hell, you didn't listen to the video in my YouTube. You did watch my YouTube. Bloody hell.
No. I can't understand in video, YouTube video.
Why you cannot understand? You went to school, did you?
But somebody also raised question, and somebody question I don't listen properly.
But did you go to school? You're a businessman, right?
Sorry?
Did you go to school in India? Did you?
Yeah, I am India.
Okay. Did you really go to school? From grade 1 to high school?
No.
You didn't go to school, did you?
No. I am fail 10 standard.
I mean, did you go to school? Did you finish your high school? Did you?
No. I am no high school, no school.
So how come you're in business if you don't know how to read? My goodness, Raj.
What I say, madam, I say to you, no need to education for business, only face-to-face understanding.
Okay, now we are going. We
I
are
understand what you want to tell me.
so now we are talking live video call face to face already. So you understand that?
Yeah, I understand what you talk to me and what you talking to me. I understand, but not I speak properly.
Well, you have to be. You better learn because you are buying money. You are buying world asset. You should understand what you are buying.
I buy, give seller I give money and he give to me gold.
Jesus Christ, forgive me. Oh my
What
gosh.
is it?
I am not here to babysit everyone.
I'm Gujarati.
Okay.
Gujarati.
That's good that you found me on my
Is, our blood.
Okay, it's good that you found me on my platform on YouTube. I'm very pleased. How many months you been searching for gold? How many people you have been talking in the past? How many people you were talking? How many?
Lot of.
Lot of them?
And no, I have don't do business because all are scammer.
You know the meaning of scammer means the seller will lie to you. And you are also going to lie to yourself. Now you are not going to lie to Wilhelmina because I am giving you a very thorough assistance. But you need to pay my extra service to travel with you.
Okay, no problem. I will give you your flight ticket, hotel accommodation.
You need to transfer the $20,000. I will buy my ticket here in Australia to meet you in Dubai. But before you pay my extra service, you need to receive first the confirmation of 15 kilos. You need to receive first the contract, the cash contract that Wilhelmina is giving you 70,000 for today. Because you told me that you have $1 million in your bank account, right?
Yeah, I have.
Can you tell me again? Use your calculator. 70,000 times 15 kilos. Tell me, how much?
1,015,000.
1,015,000. Okay. So do you have 1,015,000?
Yeah, I have 5 million.
Okay, that's fine.
India. In India.
Okay, that's fine. You can transfer the payment from India to Conakry. There's no
Dubai.
problem. There's no problem.
Dubai, my company.
Okay, if you have money in Dubai, then you have to inform your bank that you are going to transfer money in Conakry, Guinea.
Yeah, I will inform the bank. This money is mine.
Correct. You present your anti-money laundering. You need to present
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay?
I will compliance. I will compliance to Dubai government. I am not a money launderer.
Correct. That's good.
And he takes and I am know anybody. I am also there in Dubai and signature.
Okay, that's very good. So,
I don't work any fraud work.
okay, that's very good. So, is your license already prepared? Do you have a license, or you did, or are you waiting to be released? Have you applied money laundering yet?
I have applied Rakesh.
So, how long ago that you apply anti-money laundering?
No. First of all, license. When I get license, I will open the bank account and my money transfer to in it.
So, when was that? When was that? How many months you gonna apply? Because to apply money laundering, it takes 3 months. Don't you know that?
Oh.
You did. Did you apply the anti-money laundering?
Yeah. Apply money laundering.
Okay. So how long ago? How many months ago?
No, next in this when my license get, I have to compliance to Dubai officer for money laundering, etc.
Okay. So do you have already the license, or are you waiting for the license to be released? Have you?
Yeah. I am waiting for the license in Dubai.
Okay. So did the company who arranged your license, did the company tell you how many months to be released?
In this week, approximately in this week release.
Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll wait for that. When you're ready, just send it to Wilhelmina.
Okay.
And I'm going to tell the head office that I've given you 70,000 because you showed me your proof of fund that you have $1,115,000. That available fund is to signify that you are really a buyer.
I will show to you.
That's good. That's very good. Yeah.
First of all, I will show to you. If you want to Indian account, I will show today.
Okay, show it to me. Send it by WhatsApp.
Okay. Today I will statement to you.
Okay.
My Indian account.
Okay, show it to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you are very lucky that you found Mrs. Ford. You are.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
You are very lucky. You've been talking a lot of scammer offer.
Thank you. I can't proper English.
But I can understand your broken English. I can. That is why you need Wilhelmina, because if I'm not around, you are going to encounter disaster. Right.
Yeah. We know only one thing. Give money, take goods.
Okay.
Enough.
That's enough. Okay, you need the right person to guide you. You need the right person to facilitate. That is why you come to Wilhelmina. That is why you're paying her extra, because she is going to be with you from the beginning to the end. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Mr. Raj. Thank you.
And
Oh, thank you for
thank
our
you. Thank
live
you very
video call. By the way,
You're welcome.
I would be in Dubai soon.
Okay.
Once I receive your credential, I will let you know
Okay.
if I'll be in Dubai. I'm gonna meet you in Dubai. Once you receive the
Okay.
contract, once you receive the confirmation, once you receive the landing visa from my head office,
Okay.
I would be in Dubai to meet you.
Okay. Thank you.
We will travel together from Dubai to
Yeah.
Conakry. So step by
Okay.
step, don't be nervous. I'm gonna be with you. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Raju. Thank you. How do I pronounce your name?
Sorry?
How do I pronounce your name?
Raju Patel.
Raju Patel. Okay. Thanks, Raju. Thank you very much. This is live our conversation. This is live video call on Botem.
Okay. Good. Good.
You meet the criteria. Congratulations. You meet the criteria buying gold. I congratulate you.
Mm.
And you will get
Okay.
what you are looking for. Thank you, Raju. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, well, well. The buyer from India, he opened a company in Dubai. He passed the criteria. He met the criteria. Now, all buyers who are watching my video conversation, you are lucky that you're gonna meet this woman. You're lucky if you're gonna bump this video from my YouTube channel and on my Facebook platform. This is very, very thorough, and you don't need to be scared because I need to interview you live. Exactly the same this buyer. He met the criteria. Now, the price of gold, it varies day to day. You must remember our selling price less 8% regardless on the world market. Listen to this video so that you will learn because our price, it varies day to day. Okay? Our selling price less 8%, which is $88,000. Now this buyer, he convinced me that he has available fund on 15 kilos. So I've given him 70,000. Why? Because he's paying my extra service. Instead of paying 88,000, I reduce it because of my extra service. So I've given him 70,000 per kilo. That is really very good. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. When you wake up, it's good morning. Here in Australia, it's 3:50 in the afternoon. We are now March 18. Time to time, when I interview the buyer live, do not be scared. You are going to be on my platform in order for the future buyer to listen as well, so that the future buyer will understand that this is real business. This is not a joke business. So when I interview any one of you, I need to ask question. Then I can renegotiate the price for you. So this buyer that I had interview, he met the criteria. Thank you very much. Good luck. I shall see you live conference either on Bootim, either on Skype, and on WhatsApp or Messenger. Thank you.